Good morning, students. Today's topic is classification of complexes. Second one is organic molecular complexes. These are also called as addition complexes. In this class, discussing about types of organic molecular complexes and their applications in pharmacy. Organic molecular complexes. In this type of coordinated complexes, components are organic molecules held together by weaker forces like van der Waals forces, dispersion forces, dipole and induced dipole interactions, and hydrogen bonding. These forces are weak in nature. Classification of organic molecular complexes are drug classified into four types: drug and caffeine complexes, polymer types, picric acid types, phenhydron types. Before to discussing about organic molecular complexes, we need about differences between complexes and molecular compounds. Coming to complexes, these reactions are occurs in cold conditions. Weak forces of interactions are involved. Complexes cannot be separated from solutions. Coming to molecular compounds, compounds forms at elevated temperatures. They are held together by strong electrostatic interactions. They are separated easily. For organic molecular complexes, energy for activation energy for attraction is less than 5 kilocalories per mole. Classification of organic molecular complexes. Organic molecular complexes are classified as two types: electron donor acceptor type and charge transfer types. Donor acceptor type of complexes. In this type of complexes, bond is between uncharged species, but there is no charge transfer take place. Dipole and London dispersion forces are responsible for improving the stability of these complexes. Examples of donor acceptor type is complex formed between N-dimethylalanine and 2,4,6-trinitroanisole. This type of complex occurs in between cold conditions to form molecular complex. The dotted line in the complex indicates weak forces of interactions between these N-dimethylalanine and 2,4,6-trinitroanisole. Second type is charge transfer type. In this type of interactions, one molecule polarizes the another molecules. The resulting interactions to form a complexes. Interactions between these species is ionic type. Resonance make also contribution to the stability. Example is trinitrobenzene induces dipoles in readily polarizable benzene molecules. By observing the diagram, 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene is act as a acceptor and induces dipoles in benzene. Benzene donate electrons, and these electrons can be transferred and accepted by the 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene. Coming to first type of complexes are drug and caffeine complexes. A number of acid drugs forms complexes with methyl xanthines In methylxanthine, most commonly binded with caffeine. Caffeine is also binding with caffeine and sulfonamides and barbiturates. The drugs like benzocaine, procaine, and tetracaine forms complexes with these caffeines. The mechanism involved in drug and caffeine complexes are dipole-dipole forces or hydrogen bonds occurs between polarized carbonyl group of caffeine and hydrogen atom of acid. Second one is interaction between non-polar parts. These type of complexes are used for improve the stability of the complexes, either enhance or decreases the solubility of a drug, improve the absorption rate of, and also increase the rate of bioavailability. These type of complexes are also used for mask the better taste of some type of drugs. Example, caffeine and gentisic acid. These complexes are insoluble and mask the better taste of caffeine. These type of formulations are used for preparation of chewable tablets. Example is caffeine and benzocaine. In caffeine molecule, nitrogen present in first position can more strongly electrophilic or acidic. They are capable to withdrawal of electrons by the oxygen at 2 and 6 positions. The positive center of nitrogen offers site for complexation. In coming to benzocaine molecules, diester becomes polarized in such way that carbonyl oxygen act as a base. Polymer types. Many pharmaceutical additives. Examples: polyethylene glycols, carboxymethylcellulose contains nucleophilic oxygen. These can form complexes with various types of drugs. Examples of polymers are carboxyls, pluronics. These polymers are complexes with tannic acid, salicylic acid, and phenols. When carboxymethylcellulose is formed complexes with amphetamine, these form poorly absorbed complex. This type of complexes are produces incompatibilities in dosage forms preparation like suspension, emulsions, and ointments. It may causes delay the absorption of drugs and also reduces the preservative action of preservatives like methylparaben and propylparaben, and also changes the physical, chemical, and biological properties of drugs. When polymers like polyolefin is present in container, when reacted with drug present in their container, due to interaction between this polymer and drug, the loss of active components can be taken. Examples of another drug is azmoxicillin and drug. By using this combination, their action can be decreases. Picric acid complexes. Picric acid is a strong acid, forms a organic molecular complexes with weak bases, whereas it can combine with strong bases, it will give salts. Next, this complex betacin is used as a anesthetic agent. Betacin is a butyl para amino benzoate and picrate is a 2,4,6 trinitrophenol used in combination with 2:1 ratio, used as a ointment for treatment of burns and painful skin abrasions. And also picric acid forms a complexes with many carcinogenic agents. The complex stability constant is indicative of magnitude of carcinogenic activity. Higher the constant of a complex, it will enhance their carcinogenic activity of ligand. Fourth type of complexes are Wien-Hydron complexes. The molecular complex of this type of obtained by the mixing of equimolar quantities of alcoholic solution of benzoquinone and hydroquinone. These complexes are settled as a green crystals. These type of complexes are can dissociated into individual components in aqueous solution when saturated. There, these twin hydrogen complexes are used for determination of pH, act as a electrode. This type of complexes are formed by overlapping of pi framework of molecules, and also hydrogen bonding stabilizes this association. Introduction of platinum wire produces oxidation reduction electrode. The potential mainly depending on the hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. These are the organic molecular complexes and their applications in development of a pharmaceutical dosage forms like various types. These are also important in anti-action of drugs. Iodine forms 1:1 charge transfer complexes with drugs like disulfiram, clomethazole and tolnaftate. Disulfiram is used as an antidote for alcohol addiction. Clomethazole is used as a sedative and hypnotic action. Tolnaftate is used as an antifungal agent. These drugs are combined with iodine, inhibit their therapeutic action, and also produces their desired pharmacological action. Thank you. These are the different types of organic molecular complexes and their applications.